We are pleased to show you the 2021 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, remote keyless entry. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.